Hello everyone, in this video I'll be discussing how to connect Blogger to Ezoic. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the integration process, helping you optimize ad revenue and improve user experience. So let's dive right in. Let's begin by heading over to Ezoic. As you can see, we need to click on Get Started. Right after that, you'll arrive at the registration page. Let me enter my email quickly to register. Keep in mind that you won't be able to paste the email twice, as it must be manually entered to prevent bot systems. Next, you'll need to input your website's domain name. Simply go to your Google account, open Blogger, and create your blog if you haven't already. Enter your password if prompted, give your blog a title. Let's call it CD Tutorial for this video, and click on Next. Add a placeholder name, for example, Titan Ltd. Once that's done, we can proceed and open the blog to see the URL. When asked about your goals for the website, select all that apply and continue. Your Ezoic account is ready and you're now connected. Now, let's wait for the dashboard to load. At this point, you'll need to complete the setup steps. Begin by entering your first and last name and creating a password. Use any name and a secure password for now and save these details. Next, it's time to integrate your site with Ezoic. Choose your preferred integration method and confirm. You'll then need to install a tracker on your website. Copy the provided script and paste it into the HTML of every page of your site, just after the opening head tag. To do this, go to Blogger, click on Theme and select Edit HTML. Find the head tag, paste the code and save it. Your script should now be installed successfully. We're about halfway through the process. Now you have the option to enable ads by registering to show them. Ezoic uses Google's Multiple Customer Management (MCM) system to manage ad inventory on your site and provide premium demand from Google Ad Exchange. To proceed, you'll need to apply for an Ad Manager account and domain approval from Google. Fill out the form, entering your email once again. After submitting, check your Google account for a request to approve the connection with Ezoic. Approve the request and you're almost there. The final step is to go to Google Ad Manager to manage your ad inventory. Select your country and click Set Up Account. The steps we've covered so far are straightforward and designed to make setting up ads easy. Additionally, you can create ads for your own website and show them on other sites. To do this, set up your Ezoic account, authorize access for any partners like Google AdSense, and input your publisher ID as required. Replace pub with your own publisher ID in the specified format, then proceed through the remaining setup steps to verify and finish. If you wish to add another website, simply go back to the setup, click Add a Site, and follow the same steps. Ezoic is highly accessible and affordable, even free in many cases. And that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.